Today, we are going to talk about creating amazing art with a tool that is probably sitting right on your desk in your pencil case, and that is a humble ballpoint pen. Yes, you read that right. A ballpoint pen. It's accessible, affordable, and is actually capable of producing some incredibly stunning piece of art. And the best part is, you don't need to be a pro to get started. All you need is a bit of creativity and some inspiration, which is exactly what we are going to explore in this video. I think a lot of people have this misconception that in order to create beautiful art, you need to have the most expensive supplies, the latest gadgets, and all sorts of fancy tools. But the truth is, some of the most talented artists I've met have created their masterpiece with the simplest of tools. Take for instance, the iconic hyper-realistic drawings of Oscar Okono. He created those masterpieces with nothing but a few pens and some paper. I think what holds a lot of people back from creating is this feeling that they need to have the right tools, the right training, or the right level of expertise. But the reality is, art is all about experimentation, exploration, and having fun. It's about embracing the process, not just the end result. And I think that what makes ballpoint pen art so amazing is the great leveler. It's something that anyone can do, regardless of their skill level of experience. You don't need to be a pro artist to create stunning ballpoint pen art at all. All you need is the willingness to learn, to experiment, and to have fun. Now let's talk about some of the amazing techniques you can achieve with a ballpoint pen. One of my favorites is shading, and in shading I mean cross-hatching and hatching. You can get some incredibly subtle gradations of tone and texture just by varying the pressure and the angle of your pen strokes. And then there is line work. You can create everything from bold, expressive lines to delicate, intricate details. And let's not forget about textures. You can get some amazing effects just by layering and blending different strokes and patterns together. One of the things I love about ballpoint pen art is how versatile it is. You can use it to create something from realistic portraits to abstract landscapes. You can use it to tell stories, to convey emotion, or simply just to express yourself. And the best part is, you can do all of this with just one simple tool. Okay, so let's get started on creating a piece of art from scratch. I have got a blank page in front of me, and I'm going to show you how to take it from a blank slate to a finished piece of art using just a ballpoint pen. As I work on this piece, I want you to pay attention to how I'm using the pen strokes to create texture, depth, and dimension. Notice how I'm varying the pressure and the angle to get different effects. And don't be afraid to pause the video and try out some of these techniques for yourself. That is the best way to learn. Alright, we are done. Take a look at this amazing piece of art we just created using just a simple ballpoint pen. I hope you are blown away just as I am by the level of detail and texture we are able to achieve. So, what do you learn today? I hope you learned that art is all about experimentation, exploration, and just having fun. And I hope you learned that you don't need to have the most expensive supplies or the latest gadgets to create something truly amazing. And I also hope you learned that ballpoint pen art is an incredibly versatile and powerful tool that can help you unlock your creativity. If you have had experience creating art with a ballpoint pen, I would love to hear about it in the comment section below. What are some of your favorite techniques? What kind of art do you like to create with a ballpoint pen? And if you are new to ballpoint pen art, I will encourage you to give it a try. Truly, it is an amazing way to express yourself and tap into your creative potential. And don't forget to check out some of my other videos on art techniques and materials. I have got a wealth of resources to help you take your art to the next level. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.